For us, the strength is that we have so many brands as a portfolio.
many.
And so it was a methodical, empirical way of how we tested it ourselves into it. First, we launched a brand that was not subscription heavy. Then we went into subscriptions, and it's been an incredible journey. That's also going to like how one of the things with being entrepreneurial is being frugal and scrappy, and that's what we did.
Yes.
And that helped us a lot in our journey, and we feel a lot more confident with, as we've incrementally built along, Shopify Recharge. It's an amazing ecosystem. So it took us a bit for someone like, where we've talked to the larger, platform vendors, and then when we start talking about how there is an incredible kind of ecosystem that you guys have developed, and Shopify introduced us to CQL, and they've been an incredible partner along the way for us in building the solution that we need. It's mostly like the products out there and how do we push the platform, and that's where I think we've been spending a lot of time.